Hi friends, welcome back. So in this video, I'll be discussing about regression testing cycle. Regression testing cycle, which is a repeated in nature, which is very much required to be conducted in software development life cycle whenever there is a new changes to the code or whenever we are trying to do enhancements or modification to the existing code and that do not negatively impact the existing functionality. In order to check that, so we will be running the regression testing cycle. So there are various stages or steps involved whenever we are performing regression cycle, which I am going to discuss now. The first thing we should identify what are the changes the developers have implemented. We have to see what code has been changed, whether it is because of new features or bug fixes or enhancements. We have to see that is the first thing. And once we identify the changes, we should select the test cases as part of the second stage, where which area of the functionality is getting impacted. Based on that, we should identify the new test cases plus as well as existing test cases also we are required to be identified. And the third aspect is we should prepare the test environment as well as per the requirement changes, plus we should try to see it should mirror or mimic the production environment as closely as possible. That is the third step. And the fourth step is how to execute the test cases. We have to run the test cases against the modified application. That is the key thing. Once we are able to execute, we will be getting the results as well. In the analysis of those test results, we will be seeing whether that given test case is facing a failures or it is having any unexpected behavior. We are seeing it. If there is a unexpected or failures are happening, so we'll be logging the defects or issues based on the severity of that issue. And once we are able to log in the severity of the bug, then that will be taken up by the development team as a sixth step in the regression cycle, where they will be fixing those issues. And once the developer fixing those issues, then we will be again rerunning the regression test cases that ensures that that issue, whatever we found in earlier regression testing, those issues are resolved without introducing any new problems. That is the seventh step we normally doing in regression testing cycle. And also we have to keep expanding our test coverage as well. As and when new things are getting added, new enhancements are getting added, or new feature getting added, or new things they're getting added into their code, and we'll have to see appropriate test cases also required to be added as part of that changes. And we should also try to see if we can bring the test automation is also very key, because if we just do it these jobs in repetitively manner, then it will be time consuming. It is always good to take up regression test automation. And also you have to keep documenting as well our regression testing processes, including identifying the changes, executing the test cases, results and any issues. And we should look into continuous integration aspects as well, and version control as well, by following regularly this regression testing cycle. And we should also keep in mind that we should have a feedback loop as well in order to improve our regression testing cycles or testing processes, so that we keep changing those processes, so that by adopting the lesson learned feedbacks, so that we can optimize or enhance our regression testing cycles.